Effie, and today we are going to do a short mindfulness exercise that's going to have you feeling the happy. We'll do this in under 2 minutes. Are you ready? Let's go. Sit in a comfortable position. If you want, you can close your eyes, like me. Take a deep breath in, 2, 3, and out, 2, 3. One more, in, 2, 3, and out, 2, 3. Now breathe normally. Relax your forehead. Relax your cheeks. Relax your mouth. Relax your shoulders. Now think of something that makes you happy. Anything that makes you feel good. Use your imagination and see yourself doing the happy activity. Breathe in and out. And now open your eyes. You just felt the happy. Well done, you. Anytime you need to refresh or regroup or feel a little bit better during your day, you can remember this exercise and do it. I am so proud of you for taking this mindful moment. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. And go to www.effiemonroe.com for your free Mindfulness for Kids Starters Kit.